Welcome to this beginner's yoga. Let's begin lying on the back, feet to the floor, with a bend in the knees, and take the hands to the stomach. Become aware of your breath as you inhale and exhale out of the nose. Feel the stomach expand as you breathe in. And feel the navel draw in towards the spine as you breathe out. Let go of any thoughts you may have right now, any to-do lists, plans for the day. Let it all go. See if you can slow and steady the breath as you continue to watch the gentle rise and fall of the abdomen. Draw both of the knees in towards the chest now, holding the shins or the backs of the thighs. Feel a gentle release on the lower back as you squeeze the legs in close to you. Keep the shoulders relaxed, soften the face, and continue to breathe steady. Gently release the feet to make contact with the ground. Rest the arms down by the sides with the palms face up. Take an inhale and begin to lift the arms towards the top of the mat, just as high as you comfortably can, pressing backs of the arms to the ground. As you exhale, slide the arms back down. Inhale, lift, expand the chest. Exhale and lower. Feel the ribs drawing inwards. Inhale, lift those arms. Exhale as you lower. One more time, inhale to lift the arms up. Exhale, bringing them back by the sides. Rock yourself over to one side now, using the hands to lift you all the way up and come to a cross-legged position. Rest the hands down by the sides, soften and relax the shoulders. Drop the chin to the chest, take a half circle, lowering right ear to right shoulder. Pause as you breathe out any tension. Circle chin back to the chest, then take left ear to left shoulder. Continue to gently move the head, releasing any neck tension, continuing to breathe. A couple more half circles of the head and neck, allowing tightness and tension in the upper body to melt away. Now bring the head back to the center. Switch the cross of the legs over. Let's move through some seated cat-cows. So on an inhale, open up the chest and arch the back. As you exhale, tuck the pelvis and round the upper back. Inhale to open the chest, arch the back. Exhale, round the spine and tuck the chin. Inhale, opening chest and the heart. Exhale as you round. Two more times. Inhale, open. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale. And exhale. Start to make your way over to all fours. You are welcome to place some extra padding, perhaps a folded blanket under the knees if you would like. Stack the wrists under the shoulders, tuck the toes of the left foot and extend the left leg out. Shift your hips open to the left, right foot just behind right hip. Press into the right hand and start to reach up with the left arm. Perhaps reaching over, bringing in a deeper side body stretch. Breathe in and out through the nose. Keep the neck and head relaxed here. Let's lower and return back to all fours. Taking it to the other side, tuck the right toes. Reach the right leg back. Start opening hips to the right and lifting the right arm up. Ground through the left hand. Maybe reach a little higher with the right arm. Head and neck stay nice and relaxed. Lower everything back down. We'll take one last posture. This will be a child's pose with the legs wide. Take the knees as wide as your mat. Bring the toes together. Rest the hips over the heels and begin to walk the hands forwards, melting forehead and chest to the ground. Reach through the fingers and feel the sides of the body opening. Low back is releasing, shoulder blades gliding down the back. Gently shake out the head if you'd like. Reconnect with your breath. Now draw your deepest breath in and exhale all of that excess air out. Gently rise and return to a comfortable seat. Thank you so much for joining me and taking this time to practice today. Namaste.